My name is Andrew Belko from Concordia Supply, and I'm here to show you how to set up your new hand sanitizer dispenser stand. I'm gonna unbox this and show you what you will get when you order one of these. And so right here, this is this actual stand for the automatic dispenser, which is not included. This is the frame for our little messaging poster, and I'll show you what that looks like later, putting one of those in. Then we have our actual pipe stand, and then the heaviest piece is going to be the base plate, and this is pretty heavy, sturdy. So we first start with our pipes, and so you'll see that there's only two of them, and there's a little button here, and on one of them it has a hole, and so kind of similar to one of those old school pool cleaners. It works the same exact way. And then you'll notice that on the top there is a place to screw in, and on the bottom there's a hole. And so we're gonna connect this hole down here at the base plate, and the base plate has a screw in there, which we can just remove with our hand for now. So you'll see on the stand that there's a hole in the top, and then on the frame there's this screw here. And so we're actually gonna put these on at the same time, so you can put that through, and then we will put this on top and screw it in right to the top. And so you just spin the entire frame, and that will tighten just like that. And that's the assembly right there. And so you do have these 4 screws here, and this is where you will screw in the actual automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. We'll have a link in the description below on where you can buy the automatic hand sanitation dispenser. Now we have our frame here, which holds a 11 by 14 inch poster. We just went to the cdc.gov website and downloaded one of their PDFs that they have available and printed it out, and you'll see it's very easy to install. You can just slide it in, and there you have it. Keep calm and wash your hands. So this is the stand that goes with the automatic hand sanitizer. And so it'll function just like that. Give you a little bit, and you're clean and ready to worship. So God bless, and thank you for watching.